Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert printer symbol in Word. So this is very easy and simple method. So first you need to just click on insert, now symbols, now more symbols, just click on it. Now in this screen you need to select this one, this font screen, just select this one. Now you can type this character code. Just type this character code E2 E1, just type this character code and click on insert and click on close. So very easy and simply you can insert printer symbol in Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.